आत्मनिर्भर कृषि, व्हाट इज द क्रेडिट इन द आत्मनिर्भर कृषि। इस तरीके से हम लोगों ने किसान भाई बहनों के साथ, एक्सपर्ट के साथ, जो हमारे प्रोफेशनल से टेक्निकल लोग थे उनके साथ रह के हम लोगों ने सीरीज ऑफ वेबिनार किए। ये हमारा 5वां है जिसमें हम आप सबका स्वागत करते हैं। ये सेमिनार्स में नाउ आई रिक्वेस्ट टू आवर एग्जीक्यूटिव चेयरमैन डॉक्टर कीर्तन शरद साहब फॉर द ओपनिंग रिमार्क्स।
And welcome Dr. Chaturvedi, Kathiria Sahib, Dr. Sundi, Ashwin Bhai, Dr. Kelawala, Sadamate Sahib, and all the dignitaries who have found their time, Minesh Bhai. I will not take much time because I have circulated a detailed background note, but within about 2-3 minutes, I want to highlight 3 points. Now that Secretary Animal Husbandry has led the country into a new arena of animal husbandry development, where we are looking at wide spectrum of activities and developing all breeds, livestock and related breeds apart from milch cattle. So question is, now we have independent animal husbandry universities also. So first we need is an integrated research, starting from cattle feed to grass to marketing of products, whether it is a dairy product or a non-dairy product from this sector. So our research should be integrated. It should start from bottom till the end point of market, because we do have dairies, we do have cooperative dairies, but large part of countries and farmers are still not connected with the cooperative system. So how do we tackle their marketing? How do we mainstream? How do we mainstream meat marketing? How do we mainstream eggs marketing? How do we mainstream chicken marketing? These are areas which need notice and which need research also. So our research should be separate for each one of them, and it should start from bottom till the end of marketing, including which it should include weather advisory. We have no weather advisory for animal husbandry sector. In fact, in summer, the yield of milk goes down because of the heat. So how do we manage them? We do have now shelters, but why it is not happening everywhere? That is number one. Second is, we need to develop now animal husbandry as an independent source of income. Because of climate change, lot of soil erosion has taken place, and soil are capable of growing species which animals need, and at the same time take care of the requirement of farmers. So if we develop models, which I think Dr. Kathiria will speak later on, how to make animal husbandry, livestock management, large sheep units, large goat units to poultry units. So they are viable on their own and they are a business by itself. Third point I would like to highlight in this opening talk is we need to look at some of the problems of these sectors, which urbanites are facing, which farmers are facing, and how do we tackle them as a research organization, as a development organization, as a organization which is in animal management and development. These are, for example, stray dog bites. In Ahmedabad, 10,000 people get stray dog bites every year. We have nilgais which take away farmers' crop. We have pigs which come and create problem. We have monkeys which create problem. So how do we provide them shelter? How do we bring them into a situation whereby they coexist with us, but at the same time do not harm others? With these opening remarks, now I request Dr. Chaturvedi to speak. Then I will request Dr. Sondi to speak because he has to go, followed by Dr. Kathiria. Thank you. Thank you for all of you to join us in this discussion.